It's 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings and rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Get ready for verse 2, Electric Boogaloo.
You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention. Oh, you don't let the ruthlessness prevail. Oh, it's time now, light your fires for ascension. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings and rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. They let you down, but you get up. They let you drown, but you don't stop. You show 'em you're a phoenix. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure. On a new adventure.
Hello everyone and welcome today. I'm Joseph and with me there is Lily as always.
Yeah, hi.
And welcome everybody to this weekly AMA. Thank you so much everybody for joining. Share the playlist. The playlist is no copyright sounds, so yeah, random music, get from there. Hello everyone, how are you? Are you good? Welcome everybody. Again, thank you for joining us today. We will be starting the AMA right after some little introduction if you're new to Vanity. So, as always, my name is Joseph and I'm one of the two founders of Vanity with my wife Lily. And Vanity is the first token ever released on any blockchain that supports and gives the power of custom wallet addresses. These addresses are non-proxy customizable addresses, means that you are able to see them on the blockchain explorers. And I think my microphone is kind of loud. Okay, should be fixed. È troppo alta. Oh, and okay, the microphone should be fixed. Let me turn a little bit down. Yeah, perfect. And yeah. So Vanity is a non-proxy customizable address that are visible on any blockchain explorer. So if you generate a wallet with us, you are going to be able to import your private key that you and you only are going to generate using our platform, because yeah, Vanity product is available, live and purchasable. So yeah, how are you everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. We are going to start this weekly AMA. So we have already a question that was actually dropped on the countdown. So thanks Joseph even before beginning, but I want to have my question answered first. I want to take some. We are still on track for the marketplace and the automation, I guess, automation. Sorry. We are going to update the roadmap very soon, and there is one thing that because we are doing this. It's that we want to build a solid 100% perfect dev team before going even further. So yeah, the roadmap is going to actually get changed for a little bit, and we're just going to delay maybe some things, but you're going to see everything on the roadmap, like it's going to be updated these days. But yeah, we want to have a solid 100% working team before going even further, because we witnessed some things that we don't want to have again. That's why. Was the database issue fixed once for all? That was fixed actually the second day we released the platform. We acknowledged the bug. The bug was that simply the public key are made from 130 characters, and the database was saving only 128 characters, so that's why. But yeah, that's already been fixed. Okay, news about marketing. We cannot say anything about marketing. We said that many times. Everything is under an NDA, and we cannot share anything related to the marketing. So yeah, you guys won't know when it starts, you guys won't know if it ends, you guys won't know anything, because we are not able to share that. Hi present. Hello lovely people. News about marketing. I'm a little bit behind for the marketplace. Can you explain in short how to buy, how to use, etc. about marketplace and custom address wallets? Thank you. Sure. So first of all, if you heard the description of Vanity, Vanity is actually a product that is able to generate you a custom wallet address. The custom wallet address is going to be generated on our platform, vanitytoken.net/shop, and you will log in with your wallet. Once you logged in, you are going to click the purchase button or add generate a new wallet. Once you are on the page, you fill the form with what you want, so BTC and use the characters available, Ethereum or BSC and use the character available, and then you are able to actually give a name that you can recognize on your inventory to the wallet, and then you're going to click purchase. Before making the payment, the the platform will show you your vanity key. That vanity key is necessary for you in order to generate the private key that you are going to be in need once everything is generated on our end. So you better save that in a safe place and keep that somewhere. Then you're going to purchase the wallet, so you're going to make the payment for the wallet, and then in our database we're going to receive your public key, which is not the vanity key you have. With the public key, we are going to generate the custom wallet address that you are looking for, and then giving it back the partial private key, the little piece of code that you need in order to compile your vanity key with this output string, and then you are going to get your wallet. So you are going to generate your private key, and with that private key you can import it on MetaMask, you can import it on Trust Wallet, you can import it on every wallet that has the function of importing private keys. So yeah, when the generation will be 100% automated, the generation will be 100% automated with the final version of the marketplace. So when the trading and everything is going to be available, but you're going to see in like no time the update of the roadmap. We will arrange some sort of coordination shield sessions with all the new wallets provided. We provided a lot of wallets, literally like all the addresses we had generated before yesterday. We have everything outputted. We are missing 9 wallets which we are generating, and yeah, that's it. We have just one really hard wallet that we are generating, and it takes some time, but we knew that long characters on BTC, case sensitive, could take some time. But yeah. Are we on track to meet the deadline for the November secret project, or are we expecting any delays? The November secret project is going to be a lot of things. So first of all, I hope you're not going to be shocked about it. But yeah. And for that, we are going to actually release some informations about the November Secret Project. You're going to know the name of the November Secret Project. You're going to discover everything that you will be able to actually understand what the November Secret Project will be. But yeah, that's why the roadmap ends on November, because there will be we will need some time, of course, to work on everything, and we hope that we can start working on everything before November. So we are going to be actually not in time, because we don't have a timeline correctly for the November Secret Project, but we are going to try make that happen as soon as possible. So yeah. Are you hiring for specific people? Yes. I can actually take my list of the position that we're looking for to get covered, and that's, give me 1 second, and I'm going to get it. Search. Excuse me 1 second, I'm going to get all the list of who we need. Okay, yeah. So we are going to be in need of 1 backend developer. So somebody that is able to work on every request call, Node.js, something like this, to actually connect the front end with the backend. Another role that we're looking to cover is a Web3 developer. We're looking for someone that is specialized in Web3. Of course, that if you are specialized on Solidity as well, that actually helps a lot. But yes, usually people that knows Web3 knows as well Solidity. We're looking for multiple Solidity developers. That's why that's actually why the November Secret Project is going to be huge, because we are going to be in need of many Solidity developers. Also, we are going to look for some other developers that are actually able to interact with everything. So that means front-end developers, back-end developers, Web3 developers, Solidity developers, and we're looking for these people for the long term. Okay, we need these people to be on our side when Vanity is going to be a company. So yeah, spoiler, we are working on getting Vanity registered company. So yeah. We already answered that. So Seven for Vanity, let's go. Welcome Dan, welcome. How works the shop? Do I buy an address relating to correct blockchain? Sullo shop io compro un address relativo sulla blockchain, corretto? Yeah, that's correct. So you are going to purchase the wallet that you want for the blockchain. Of course, BTC wallet cannot be used on any other blockchain than BTC, but for addresses that are from for Ethereum, then all the EVM, for who doesn't know what EVM is all the blockchains that are called, we can say, subchains of Ethereum, so BSC, Phantom, and every blockchain that is actually there's actually an EVM, you are going to be able to use your custom wallet there. So yeah. I have a problem buying on website. Can I buy on Mana wallet? Please, if you have any problem, just drop that in our chat, and a staff or a mod will you will DM a staff or a mod, and he will take care of you, so we can actually acknowledge what's the problem. Is the goal to be able to use the whole alphabet to customize addresses on any blockchain? No, that cannot be a goal, because the blockchain rules are hard-coded. Hard-coded means that who made the blockchain, in this case Vitalik, which is the creator of Ethereum. Hard-coded means there are something coded that cannot change, and how the blockchain work is on hexadecimals, and you cannot customize hexadecimals. So if you decide that your blockchain is going to work on hexadecimals, these are the rules, and these are going to stay the rules. So you're not going to be able to use new custom alphabet, all the alphabet words, letters for your wallet. But yeah, and that's it. If anybody has any question, you guys are free to drop your questions. In the meanwhile, I hope that you guys liked the shop we did, because in my opinion is actually insane. Like, we made real. The product is real, the product is available, the product is purchasable. We have a working product out, and I'm so happy about it. Have you guys had any question requests from producer of network, BTC, ADA, Sol, Ethereum, etc? Not yet. I was looking to get in touch with ADA blockchain developers, because the way that their blockchain works for addresses is a little bit different from the normal. But yeah, we're going to see that. Of course, keep in mind that if you are the owner of the blockchain, we can say you have the possibility of hard coding some wallets. Like, let's say the dead address. The dead address is actually an hard coded address that has now been generated. They said, okay, this address is called that address, and it's going to be the burn address. So it's a private sale price dependent on the chart market price. Correct. The private sale that we have going on now, for who doesn't know, we made a private sale with the funds from the marketing. So the tokens came from the marketing wallet, and we are selling privately to our holders or people that wants actually to buy at least 1 BNB of tokens without fees. Why we're doing that? Because we don't want to sell from the marketing wallet, impacting the chart and paying the marketing. So that's why we're doing that. Is the private and a listing? No, we're not looking for listings right now. That's not our main point for now. We're not interested in listing for now, because we want to work 100% on the product, on the project, and then maybe, yeah, that's a secondary goal, getting listed somewhere. Are we going to get more characters for custom wallets for the BSC and Ethereum and other blockchain? I already answered you, QR. We cannot. The rules are there. We're no one to go on the blockchain rules and change them. You cannot change the rules. The rules are there, and for whoever says the rules are made to be broken, that's not correct. If I sell everything and buy Vanity, can I resign my job after November? I'm not giving any kind of financial advice, but you're asking to to one of the two founders. So yes. Okay, if anybody has any question, you guys can go ahead. We're already here since 20 minutes, so yeah. Let me change the song, cause yeah. As the owner, where do you see Vanity by 2022? Do you mean the start of 2022, the end of 2022? Because for the start, I think Vanity, you're going to see the November Secret Project in action. So that's going to be a huge impact, not only for Vanity, but for the blockchain. I really believe in what we're doing. I really believe that it's going to be huge, and I really believe that everybody will like it, even if you don't know about Vanity. And you will come up on the November Secret Project, you're going to say, sheesh, this is freaking amazing. So yeah, by the start, so the 2022, I think we're going to see Vanity being a really stable token, like a really strong token. Don't get my stable as a price stable. I'm not talking about the price. And by the end of 2022, we have a lot of things to release, a lot of things to work on, and we're never going to stop, because as I say many times, Vanity doesn't have a goal that has to be reached and then we're done. We're working every time, all the time, to make sure that what we're doing will never stop. So we're innovative, we are a revolution, and that's going to be for forever. We're going to stay here forever. Will the marketing start regardless of the overall market sentiment? I cannot say anything about the marketing, so if you guys have any question about the marketing, just forget about it, because there is a signed NDA and I won't get sued. So yeah, I think I have an idea about the November Secret Project. If you have, that's good for you, but I don't know. What action will take once SafeMoon's wallet launches? How we will promote it? Again, that's you mean how we as Vanity are going to promote it? That's already a promotion, saying that Vanity is on SafeMoon wallet. People will see 2.5 million holders, maybe more, maybe it was 2.7 million holders in SafeMoon that are going to see Vanity on one of the first tokens that are actually listed on the Vanity wallet. On the SafeMoon wallet. We're going to see people that even doesn't have SafeMoon, but just because of the wave of the SafeMoon wallet will actually download it and see, oh, there is Vanity token as well. Let me see what they do. Because my opinion, yeah, we like SafeMoon announced that we are on the SafeMoon wallet, but people are too lazy to die before even seeing the token. So in my opinion, a lot of people are just waiting for getting the wallet out to just click Vanity, click any token, click USDT, and saying, okay, so what is this? Let me see. This looks interesting. I'll buy it. This looks like a shit coin. I'm gonna avoid it. So I think that's what people are going to do. And can you ask people to shield their custom addresses? Yeah, guys, come on. We made a lot of custom addresses. We delivered a ton of them. Why are you not sharing yours? So yeah. I joined late. What's the process and deadline for the private sale? The private sale will last until tomorrow. A che ora? And 9 di sera. 9 p.m. CEST. So yeah. Until tomorrow, 9 p.m. CST. You're going to be able to get in the private sale. Then the private sale will be stopped and everything will go back to normal. Bought Vanity in July. What about that coin? We went to a token swap. Yeah. The token swap took 1 month. So we are not giving any support again to the old Vanity. But yeah. We were pretty strict, said on everything, on every social, sorry, I was not getting the word, any social media we have, so Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, everywhere we said that we're going through a token swap. So yeah, we're not giving any support again because the token that was for the token swap are burned. So yeah. Do you think it's possible to automate the address generation with smart contracts that interacts with the GPU that are used for address generation and make the human element out of it? Yes, but no. The human element will be not needed, of course, if we automate everything. Of course, we'll need somebody that will actually do the work of automating it, but the smart contracts are not related to the generation of the wallets. So you won't need a smart contract that works on any blockchain to be actually able to generate a wallet. What's your expected price when tax will be reduced and holder tax always remain the same? When tax will be reduced and holder tax will be remain the same. What do you mean? Not getting the question. Asking because I live in a time zone, so I need to confirm. Yeah, that's I can confirm that, lady. That's going to be the time. I heard the deadline, but is there an address in TG to send our BNB? You have to DM Lily at Lily Vanity or me, J Vanity, but I suggest you to DM Lily because I'm most of the time busy, so yeah. I'm confused about the shop because I noticed there is possibility of me ending money $4 million to the shop, and I don't understand how I end money from the shop. Please explain about the shop benefits. Okay, first of all, what is the shop? The shop is the one-stop platform where you can purchase our product. So our product is live thanks for the shop. So there is actually a use case of Vanity, and the use case is available for everybody for purchase and utilizing it. Once we're going to deliver the final version of the marketplace, you are going to be able to purchase wallets as NFTs, as dropped NFT. What this means? This means that you are never going to ask the generation and getting in touch with actual wallet, but you're going to keep that as NFT, and you're going to be able to sell, trade with other users on our platform. So that's going to be a second revenue other than the token for you and for the use case, because you are going to be able to sell a custom wallet that you take for somebody else. So yeah, the shop is first of all the selling our product, which is finally live and working, and it's going to be an NFT shop for addresses that you want to purchase and trade with somebody else, and that's going to be the second revenue for the user. And yeah, when you will be going to reduce the tax? I don't think we ever said we are going to reduce the tax right now. Yeah, never say that. Wow, you even speak Spanish, muy bien. Not really, just a little bit, but yeah, that's Italian though. That's not Spanish. Will the reflection always be there for holders, or you will going to reduce it or remove it? No, we don't plan on changing the tokenomics right now. So the fee, the reflection is going to be there. If I miss the private sale, can I buy anytime later? Yeah, sure, you can buy on the token normally, but you will be paying the taxes as well. What don't happen with the private sale. What I'm asking more specifically is the possibility to pass the request that is made for buying an address to a smart contract, then the smart contract will interact with the GPU in some way. There's no need. Actually, everything that you are saying right now can be handled directly with Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript that actually can connect the front end and the back end. So like right now we're using, as I understand from Hust, our front end developer, that Node.js gets in contact with the server for generating your keys, like the generation of the key that you get, the vanity key, and the combination of the keys. That's everything related to our an external standalone server. So yeah, you don't need a smart contract for getting connection with the server. instead of the request going to a queue and then waiting on a human to respond manually during that. Yeah, it's going to be automated, but not with the smart contracts. Smart contracts are not needed for this. Yeah, if anybody has any question, you guys can go ahead. We're here. Maybe. Don't be shy. It's only been 30 minutes, so it would be kind of strange if we closed on the 30 minutes mark. Okay, so looks like we don't have any more questions. That's fine. Okay, so if anybody doesn't have any more question, I'll thank everybody for joining us today. This was our weekly AMA on the 11th of September. We are going to get back of work. Will you cooperate with new project where their holders have to make custom wallet addresses for Vanity Marketplace? We are going to see that. We don't know about it. We need. I want, and you can mark my word. I will never get in partnership with anybody that doesn't have a use case. So no. Grazie, amore. So yeah, I was saying thank you everybody for joining us today. I was Joseph and Lily on my back getting the chat. Yeah, getting the chat killed. Like if there is any food, she just the chat. Thank you everybody for joining us today.
Bye.
Yeah.
See ya.
And see you on the next CMA and in the chat. Bye everybody.